How to reset UnoCoin password. Are you guys facing issue to reset UnoCoin password? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open UnoCoin app and tap on login. Below the login button, tap on forget password. Now enter your registered email address or phone number linked to your Uno account. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to verify your identity. After that, you will ask to set a new password. Type in your new password, confirm it once more, and then tap submit. Make sure your new password is strong and something you can remember. Once done, your password will be successfully updated, and you can log in with a new one right away. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna reset your password on UnoCoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.